I am Muhammad Mukarram from Smart Academy, the House of Basic English Language, and I am also a student, and I am improving English myself.
Hi guys, this is Muhammad Uzaifa from the Smart Academy.
Guys, this is Hasnain Malik from the Smart Academy, the House of Basic English Learning. I'm again.
So, what's your name?
My name is Huzaifa Kashekh and I am from the same academy in which you are, and I am in stage 1 second.
Okay, what's your name?
I'm Hasnain Malik. I'm also a student of the Smart Academy, and I'm a student of stage 1 first.
Some questions for you.
Yes.
And I wanna ask to you.
Okay.
So, why English is important? What do you think?
Man, there are many reasons to tell, but I will tell you two. The number one is that English is an international language and is spoken on all over the world. And number two, which is belong to me, that it make my life the easiest nowadays, and everything is in English. Like our course, even Islamiyat is in English. Our technologies, mobile, computer are in English. So this is the reason that English is very important in my
First day in conversation class. So, what are you feeling?
I'm feeling good and happy because I wanted to be a fluent speaker.
Okay.
Whenever I used to see those people who speak English, I used to think that if they can speak, so why can't I?
So, what do you think? How can we make ourselves a fluent speaker in English?
How can we make? We can make ourselves better in English by speaking. But we have to speak everything which coming in your mouth, either right or wrong. But you have to speak. If you have a source to speak with someone, so it is a good luck. If there is no one, so this is my experience that I have no one. So I translate my thinking in English and speak to myself in English. This is my experience which I shared with you.
Okay. That's your experience.
Yes.
Okay. So, I think it is the most important question for every student. Why do you want to learn English?
As it is, I said before, I wanted to be a speaker. And in my thought, it's also a second language of us. It's very helpful for job.
Okay.
Because it is a second language. It is used in all over the world.
Okay.
Therefore, I want to learn it.
Okay, that's yes. What do you think? English is a difficult language to learn?
No, this is not a difficult language. But we make ourselves harder by not giving the proper time.
Okay.
If we give at least 30 to 40 minutes in a day, so we can become a fluent speaker and a good English language learner.
Okay. If we don't give time to study, to practice, so we cannot make a fluent speaker.
No, you remember that one quotation that practice makes a man perfect. So this is the reason behind that.
Okay, that's a good one. Okay, Hasnain, it's your turn now.
Yeah.
What are the sources of your learning?
The sources of my learning is that internet,
Okay.
books, English or dictionaries, and motivational videos, and by senior speaking.
By senior speaking. Okay.
That's it. That's my sources of my learning.
Okay, that's a good one. So, if any student want to learn by the internet, so which websites students easily learn by it?
Students should see the speakers, the English speaker, the native speakers of America, London. If you want to be a speaker, so you should see them
Okay.
and copy them.
Copy them.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we cannot be a good speaker.
Yeah, we can be, but if we see them, so we can be.
Okay, guys, they were new students, and I have made many mistakes because I'm also a learner. So that's why I made mistake. So we will meet again into the next video. For more videos, connect with us, and we will meet inshallah into the next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.